In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image on your iPhone without downloading any application. So to do this, make sure that the image you want to convert is saved to your files. Then open up your files and navigate to where your image is. For me, I would like to convert this image. So let's see the original file type of the image. Long press on the image and you're going to see get info. We can see that our image kind is an HEIF image, which is the file type when you take your image with the iPhone camera. So we want to convert this image to a PNG. What you do is that you're going to long press on the image, go to quick actions, and you're going to see convert image. There you're going to see the different file formats to convert your image to. Let's choose PNG, and then you're going to see the size of the image. Let's choose original so that we maintain the quality of our image. And then we can see the PNG version of our image has been created and saved to the same file directory. Let's check the image type now. We can now see that our image is a PNG, and we can go ahead and use this image where we need the PNG format.